Good morning, teacher and companions. My name is Enelia Ponton Yandi. I make the presentation of my work. Things 5 Technology website presented of Camilo Andrés Caicedo presented B. Enelia Ponton Code Universidad Abierta y a Distancia UNAD La Plata Huila, noviembre 2022. Objective: investigate the importance of how technology and identify how technology has changed human life with positive and negative aspects. Factors of it has affected some cultures. Positive aspect, negative aspect. Prayers. 1. With my territory is evidence that only children and elderly right participate in the rituals voluntary. 2. Young people no longer obey their parents and some are no longer aware of their duties as students and children. 3. With the use of technology we are polluting our environment a lot. We must learn to save energy. 4. The lack of will on the part of some young people. 5. New technologies can be very harmful to our children. 6. It is very harmful to health because some people already lost their vision because they are involved in social networks, especially young people. Some young people no longer play soccer. They exclude themselves with their cell phones. Thank you very much for your attention.